Welcome to Zach and Family. Today we're going to be making special soup. It's perfect for the weather that we're having. We're going to be making sausage cabbage soup. These are the ingredients: chicken stock, six cups of chicken stock, 1 cabbage, 1 sausage, 1 onion, 2 potatoes, 2 carrots, but we bought 3 because I'm going to eat 1. 1 stalk of celery, and 1 bunch of green onions. And for seasonings, we need salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 3 bay leaves, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. The first thing you do, cut the sausage into bite-sized pieces. Now that you've got it cut, come over here and put it in your soup pan for 6 minutes on medium. You've got to stir it a little bit so it cooks. You got to make sure that it cooks. Now that this sausage is nice and brown, let's put it on this plate. But you can put it on any plate. Just make sure that it's big enough. Now let's cut the cabbage into bite-sized pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Abracadabra! Wow. It even came with this bowl. Okay, now that that's done, we're gonna peel and cut an onion, these two potatoes, and 2 carrots. Pretty easy to do the carrot for me. Now that we're done with all this stuff, let's cut this, but you guessed it, into bite-sized pieces, just like everything else. Hey, you guys don't know how to mince garlic? You go like this. And then you cut. I'm crying because of the garlic. Wait, isn't an onion supposed to make you cry?
Both.
It's a little bit broken. You're gonna put your olive oil in, and you're gonna set your stove at medium, and you're gonna fry these vegetables. You're gonna stir the vegetables while it's cooking for 5 minutes. After you're done frying your vegetables for 5 minutes, add your cabbage and garlic for 4 more minutes on frying. Now we're gonna add chicken stock, sausage, potatoes, bay leaves, and Italian seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Now mix it and wait until it starts boiling. Okay, now that it's boiling, we're gonna turn it down to low medium heat, and we're gonna cover it up for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Now that we're gonna be waiting for 20 minutes, guess what I could eat? My extra carrot. It's pretty good. Good news, we have a next one for you right here. Okay, now that it's ready, let's remove the bay leaves and let's add some salt and pepper to taste. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try it. special of winter. Hey, do you guys want to know a little bonus? You should garnish it with sauerkraut to make it extra special. Okay, just try with sauerkraut. Okay. It actually makes it taste better than without it. It gives it a little kick because it's a little bit sour. But don't get too much because if you don't want it to be too sour. Just so you guys know, I actually really like this. Like a lot. Fun fact, you can put it in the fridge for 3 days, freezer for 3 months. Okay, so next time, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Peace out. Woo!